always dreamed of designing my own birthday outfit. And this year, I finally decided to make it real. Today's design is super special because I only have one day to create my dream gown. From sketching the idea to digitizing the embroidery on my laptop, everything starts right here. Let's see how far I can go in just 24 hours. Before I begin anything, I always start with a sketch. This design is actually inspired by a gown I imagined years ago, my dream birthday look. And now, I am finally bringing it to life. The fabric is everything. For this gown, I picked a soft, glowy, and flowy fabric, something elegant that feels just right for a birthday look. Embroidery is what makes my outfits truly unique. While I absolutely love hand embroidery for its charm and detail, it takes a lot of time. So, to save time on this project, I digitized my design and used my embroidery machine. It's super fast compared to handwork, and it's perfect for creating beautiful, budget-friendly designs for my clients too. I picked 4 beautiful shades of thread to create a soft, elegant floral effect, and then let the machine work its magic. While the embroidery was running, I used that time to cut the fabric. When you've only got one day, time management really is everything. To make the stitching easier and get a perfect fit, I used a mannequin that matches my exact size. It made the whole process so much smoother and faster. Just as I wrapped up the cutting and stitching, the machine gave that little beep. The embroidery was done. Now, it's time to bring everything together. Every cut and stitch from here is filled with excitement and love. I carefully cut out each embroidered flower and attach them with a glue gun, transforming the plain fabric into something detailed, elegant, and totally dreamy. By this point, I was exhausted, but honestly, so excited. Everything was finally coming together. The moment I had been waiting for, would it turn out just as I imagined? He kept staring at me, trying to figure out what was going on. By 4 p.m., it was finally time for the photo shoot. And that's when things got really fun, because my German Shepherd, Luca, had the funniest reaction to my dress. He looked totally confused, probably because he'd never seen me in a gown before. He kept staring at me, trying to figure out what was going on. I had picked up some little white flowers to add a dreamy touch to the shoot, but Luca thought they were his new toys. He kept jumping to catch them, and my cameraman captured the most hilarious moments. Honestly, those pictures turned out to be some of my absolute favorites. After the shoot, I went through all the pics, and of course, the ones with Luca made the final cut. Here it is, my dream birthday outfit, designed and made by me in just 24 hours. Would you wear a birthday gown made in one day? Let me know in the comments. And if you love dreamy, handmade outfits like this, don't forget to check out my brand. See you in the next video.